Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you haven't subscribed as yet, please do. Just click the subscribe button below. I do both food and travel related videos, so if you're interested in that, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Today, all you done seeing already what is going on here. We're making some Pholourie. This is the one without the split pea. This mixture is going to make about 200 Pholourie, depending on how big or how small you make the Pholourie balls. I didn't put the exact measurement for the water because depending on the type or brand of flour that you have or how old the flour is, sometimes it calls for more water, sometimes it calls for less. So you just have to work with the consistency of the batter that you're making. You want to give this a nice quick mix. The longer you take to mix the flour is the stiffer your Pholourie becomes, and once it cools it gets really tough like rubber. So the less you mix the better. Just make sure to get everything evenly combined and you're good to go after that. Okay guys, so this is the consistency that you're looking for. It's basically like a one drop consistency. You don't want it runny because you'll just have Pholourie all over the frying pan and everything soaking up all the oil. So you want to make sure you get that nice clean drop. Cover down the mixture with a plastic wrap and let it sit for about 30 minutes so that you could get some nice activation with the yeast and all of that going on. So yeah, let it sit for about 30 minutes. Okay, now this mixture is ready for the oil. You don't have to mix it in or anything like that. Just dip and start to drop in the oil and fry. Drop one Pholourie in just to test the oil to make sure that it's perfect. It takes about 2 seconds to come up, 2 to 3 seconds to come up. Once it does that and it's frying good, then you're good to go. Go ahead and drop the rest of Pholourie in the oil. If you can't seem to get this drop method with your hands, feel free to use a spoon. Use a tablespoon and just take your finger and wipe it off the spoon. You should get a nice round Pholourie. I will leave my mango chutney recipe in the description cards. While we was frying, we was eating. You know how it does go. But this is the texture of the Pholourie. The Pholourie has a belly inside. We like our Phoulouries like that. If you like your Pholourie hollow, just make sure leave it for like a next 20 to 30 minutes. Let the flour rise and you'll get some nice hollow Pholourie. But we like our Phoulouries with belly to Pholourie. But yeah, this is it guys. This is my Pholourie recipe. I hope you guys enjoyed it and see you in my next video. Bye.